igawas ang Solana Call is one of that alignment is really to find talents sa mga regional bases.
Sa mga taga-Jensen nila, free education na siya, guys.
It's still too early to enter Web3, and you are lucky enough to be here, to be introduced to this kind of mga immersions, community meetups, para ma-enlighten mo nga, ay, ani dahil na dako dahil opportunities kay katulad dili naman po developers ang kinahanglan sa Web3. Everything that we have right now in Web2, marketing, content creation, social media management, that will also be needed sa Web3.
Are giving power back to the people. Why? Because we will have that ownership sa kanang mga value na atong gina-provide.